Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 super quick and easy ways you could do half-up hairstyles using super chunky scrunchies from shop Chelsea King. So if you guys want to see how I get all of these 4 looks, please keep watching. My hair is already curled. If you guys want to see how I got these curls, please check out the video that's linked in my description box. So now I'm just gathering my hair up into a half-up ponytail, and I'm going to pull some pieces out in the front. And I'm going to use a very skinny black elastic to tie my hair into a half ponytail. And on the 3rd loop, I am going to make a little bun. Now I'm just going to pull a couple pieces out to make the bun nice and loose. Then I'm going to be using this pink scrunchie from shop Chelsea King to tie it together. I'm just going to keep fluffing it out just a little bit more. And this is the first look. It is super quick and easy and just takes a few minutes. For the second look, I'm going to be doing the same thing and just gathering my hair into a half ponytail. And I'm going to be using that same black elastic to tie it together. I'm going to take that half-up ponytail and part the area by the crown and just flip it inside. You could do this once or twice. I like to do it just once. And now I'm just going to be pulling out sections to make it nice and fluffy. Once I have done that, I'm using this ivory scrunchie to secure it together. And this is the final look. For the 3rd look, I am going to be brushing all of my hair back because I'm going to start a braid. So I'm going to be doing a French braid. If you want to, you can make a Dutch braid. I'm sectioning the top of my hair into 3 strands, and I'm going to be doing a 3-strand braid. And as I keep going down, I'm just going to keep adding more and more hair pieces. And I'm just going to keep braiding down until about half of my hair is in a braid. Once I'm done, I'm going to be using that same black elastic to secure it. And I'm using this pretty beige colored scrunchie to hide the black elastic. And this is the final look. For the last look, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, just gathering my hair into a half-up ponytail, and I will secure it with this black elastic. Once the half up pony is nice and secure, I'm going to cover the black elastic with this pretty blue scrunchie. Next, I'm going to take that section of hair from the half up ponytail and I'm going to braid it. And once I'm done braiding, I'm going to secure it with a clear elastic. This part is totally optional. I just like to make my braids look a lot poofier, so I am pancaking them out. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think, which one is your favorite, and what you guys want to see more in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!